Good morning, all of you. Let us discuss about topic solution. Solution. Different types of definition in case of solution takes place. So simply definition of solution. Definition of solution. In case of definition of solution, homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. In case of second definition of solution, it is a component of solute plus solvent. Solute plus solvent. But in the third condition, that is, it is a binary. Examples of solution. Sugar plus water. First. Second example, salt plus water. And third example, lemon plus water. It is also a component of solute and solvent. Simply you can say solute, minimum amount present in the solution, but in case of solvent, major amount in the solution. Solution also known as binary because both solute and solvent also present in the solution. One component from solute and other component from the solvent. So solution also known as binary. Yeah, simply you can say solution is a component of both solute and solvent. Solution is a component of both solute and solvent. Let us discuss about different types of solution. Solution may be of two types. Solution may be of two types. First is concentrated solution, and second is the dilute solution. Concentrated solution, amount of solute is maximum, but in case of dilute solution, amount of solute is minimum. If amount of solute is minimum, so then amount of solvent is maximum. So different types of condition operate in the solution. But in case of concentrated solution, amount of solute is maximum, but in case of dilute, amount of solute is minimum. So simply solution may be binary. Again repeat the lecture of solution. First of all, solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. But in case of second points, it is a component of solute and solvent. But in case of third point, it is a binary. So simply solution is also component of both solute and solvent. So solution may be concentrated solution and dilute solution. But in case of concentrated solution, amount of solute is maximum, but in case of dilute solution, amount of solute is minimum. So this is all about the solution.